Choo Choo Try Something New is a monthly promotion that we do in the cafeteria. It's intended to let kids try a new food. We thought as a menu planning group, we wanted to embrace that with the students and let them come up with the recipes that we do for Try Something New.
Would you like to try something new today?
So the contest criteria last spring was to have an original recipe, so it was based on originality, the amount of ingredients in the recipe, and something that we could recreate in the cafeteria. So once we received all the submissions, our menu planning team got together and reviewed them and selected the top 5 winners, one for each month for the fall semester. We have Mason's Magic Beans for August, which was more of a red bean recipe.
When I won, I felt really good about myself, and I want to thank my mom and my Nana.
I was on lunch duty yesterday, so I got the opportunity to go through the line and get the little cup of the magic beans, and they were delicious. I noticed it had a jalapeno in it, and I'm a big fan of jalapenos, so it was really good and really tasty.
We will also have a new contest that's going to be for our spring semester, and that's going to be coming out in the middle of September, so to be looking for that. We want to expand this and get more features from students to put on our spring menu.